to super slim Samsung LED TV. Best part, Sears can't check the competition to guarantee the lowest price. I'm listening. We do real-time price checks. We found that there's some guys out there that really agonize about making decisions. It's not their thing. They waffle, they don't know what they're going to do. Those guys drive me crazy. What do you think? I'll take it. All right.
Real-time price checks, next day delivery, no regrets. Sears, life well spent.
New Starbucks Via Ready Brew is instant like you've never tasted. So delicious, we're testing it against our award-winning fresh brew. We're betting teachers can't taste the difference.
From Lane that will let you relax in style. Get a first grocery pineapple meal with lumbar and coil style. Or choose from an exquisite selection of furniture from Pulaski. The Catchy Ireland Wood collection will see your office sophistication at great prices. And you can enjoy the comfort and style of leather with 100% Italian leather groups from Leather Italia or leather fabric custom collage from Mayo. Beautiful, livable home furnishings. That's what you'll find at Johnny's Furniture, 609 North Main in Gorger.
I got these for Dorothy, these are for Catherine, these are for Joyce, and I got these for Barbara. She left me. My grandmothers were diagnosed with breast cancer. Millions of women are shocked. You can help. My man loves shoes.
QVC presents Fanny Shoes on sale. Fabulous designer shoes, all at half price, with net proceeds going to breast cancer research and education. Watch QVC.